Palak Paneer or spinach and cheese, what's not to like? And when it's cooked in this way, you won't just like the combination, you will love it. So let's make it. We need to start by making the spinach puree. It's very simple. Add your spinach to a pan, followed by water, then cover it with the lid, turn the heat to medium and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the spinach has wilted. You don't want to overcook the spinach or it can become bitter. Once it's done, turn the heat off, then using a blender, blitz to a smooth puree. Now let's turn our attention to the paneer, which I'm going to lightly pan fry. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the cubes of paneer and fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until lightly golden. Then turn and cook on the other side. This stage is totally optional. You can just cut the paneer into cubes and add it to the dish without frying. But come on, there's nothing better than fried cheese, right? Those crispy bits on top are just so delicious, so I'm definitely frying. Once slightly golden on both sides, remove from the pan and set aside. Now let's spice it all up. Heat the remaining oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Add the cumin seeds and cook until they begin to crackle. Next, add the garlic, which for this dish I like thinly sliced, as you get a much milder flavour than if it's minced or in a paste. Cook for around 30 seconds or until you can smell the garlic frying. Next, add the chilies and fry for another 15 to 20 seconds, just enough to flavour the oil. Then add the chopped onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until translucent. Now add the fresh green chilies, which you can just leave out if you don't like it too spicy. Then add the ginger and cook for 2 minutes. Next, the dried spices go in. Add ground coriander, ground cumin, chili powder and ground turmeric. Then, like I do in most dishes after adding dried spices, add some water. This allows the spices to cook sufficiently without them burning. Once the water has evaporated and you can see the oil separating from the mixture, it's time to go in with the pureed tomatoes. Cook for around 7 to 8 minutes or until they're almost the consistency of a paste. Now add salt, then I'm adding a pinch of sugar and you can see how little I'm using. It won't make it sweet, but it just lifts and balances out the rest of the flavours. Now it's time to add the spinach and the paneer. Also add some water. Give it a good mix, put the lid on and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until you can see the oil coming to the surface. Mix a few times in between to make sure it's not sticking to the pan. Now take a look at this. You can just see that the spinach has taken up all those lovely flavours. Finish with a bit of butter and some garam masala and it's ready. Naan is my favourite way to mop up this delicious curry. With a little salad on the side, you can't beat it.